今日我要講嘅係我喺美國嘅香港經歷。我細個係90年代喺美國洛杉磯嘅蒙德利公園市長大。講真，我哋屋企完全冇乜香港背景，但偏偏成個成長環境就係半個香港嘅海外分佈。That's why sometimes jokingly say I grew up in Hong Kong, even when I never been there before. Monterey Park 嗰陣時已經係全美國最多亞洲人嘅 city 啦。出街見到嘅招牌10個有9個係中文，兼且好多都係繁體字啊。雖然我屋企講嘅主要係普通話同閩南語，但我由細到大睇得最多嘅電視反而全部都係香港電視劇，真係一啲都唔誇張啊！我幾乎冇乜印象自己追過台灣電視劇 ，and TVB was just like my childhood Netflix。放學返屋企打開電視啊，就有本港台啊、翡翠台啊嗰啲劇輪住播出啊。好似大時代啊、創世紀啊、天地男兒啊，仲有啲古裝劇，例如《射雕英雄傳》啊、《倚天屠龍記》呢啲嘢啦。細個唔係完全明啲劇情，但我都會好認真咁睇人哋點樣做人，點樣講義氣，點樣喺城市入面成長。仲有當時有一部電影叫做《重慶森林》，我睇到片名就好興奮，係咁話啦。呢個重慶咪我哋阿爺阿嫲嘅故鄉咩？跟住我就買咗個 DVD 返屋睇啦。結果成部片啦，同重慶一啲關係都冇，我先知道俾呃咗錢。That was my 1 week allowance. That was the first time I learned about the Chinese singer in this movie, whose music I later found really catchy. And I became a fan too. Not a crazy one though. So subconsciously I kind of grew up with my folks in Hong Kong, going through the same school exams, going everywhere by bus, having masquerade together, even though I was physically in California the whole time. 我哋屋企背景其實係完全台灣式嘅，外省人加上閩南人嘅結合。年菜一定有四川同台灣本土嘅味道。過年一定會有水煮魚、紅燒牛肉、滷味同埋佛跳牆呢啲嘢啦。我老豆整嘅水煮魚係真正嘅四川 style 啦，麻辣有種花椒味。Just one tiny bite, your whole face wakes up, and you even forget what your dad's last name is. That's from the Cantonese expression too. It's not like regular food. It feels like swallowing your active lava or a nuclear blast that burns your lips and tongue almost instantly. 但係Monterey Park 出街食到嘅魚呢，就係完全唔同嘅世界啦。廣東做法係清蒸魚薑葱魚soy sauce king style 啦。重點係呢個鮮味係好似let the fish speak for yourself 咁。好細個已經開始對呢啲差異好敏感。點解同樣係中國人味道做法同埋節日氣氛可以差咁多香港人過年會講意頭、講生意、講運氣。我哋台灣嘅中國人民呢，過年就係講緊團圓鄉愁，講緊上一代嘅故事呢啲嘢。呢啲文化嘅 difference 呢，反而 sharpen 咗我對東亞文化嘅觀察力。So I learned when I was very little how Chinese culture was not just those funny-looking costumes. 仲有一樣好得意嘅嘢就係香港話對 Monterey Park 本地嘅英文有好大嘅影響力有啲本地長大香港背景嘅 ABC 佢哋講緊嘅英文其實好香港例如佢哋會話 Can you open a lot for me? Don't be such an elementary school chicken. A lot more bizarre expressions never heard anyone say outside that city. And the accents, you can hardly notice unless you pay real close attention. 我細個有時都會打鼓打得喺心入面諗住wait, are they talking English or some kind of Hong Kong Creole? I mean, being a Chinese American, sometimes I genuinely didn't know what the hell they were saying half the time, overhearing their conversations. 但就算係咁，我對廣東話對香港文化反而有一種莫名其妙嘅親切感。可能因為我成個童年價值觀啊、審美、城市想像啦，好多都係由香港影視建立嘅。So when I meet people from there later in life, I always feel like they're just like my family. I just want to give them a hug and tell them how much I've heard about y'all on television. 好似細個隔離屋嘅嗰啲哥哥姐姐啊，雖然我從來未真係住喺同一條街。總結嚟講呢個就係我喺美國嘅香港經驗。I was raised in Los Angeles in a Taiwanese family speaking Mandarin and Hokkien. Growing up, eating Sichuan village food. But emotionally, culturally, a big part of me was raised by Hong Kong drama and Cantonese raps in Monterey Park. 我呢一世從未去過香港。Amen.